A lot of people has been asking me in my DM how they can download and import new and stylish fonts into their Pixel. Now, if you've also had the same issue and has been battling with this, then you are in the right place. Alright. Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel where you can get every information you need on how to design a lot of things using just your smartphone. So kindly subscribe to this channel if this is your first time, like this video and share this video to people who you know might be needing it. Alright.